Hi everyone! This week on Friction Friday we have the 2023 through 2026 Toyota GR Corolla. Built for performance enthusiasts, the GR Corolla brings rally-inspired engineering, turbocharged power, and all-wheel drive capability into a compact hatchback. With that level of responsiveness, braking needs to be just as sharp, delivering control you can feel in every corner and every stop. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing strong initial bite, consistent pedal feel, and stable performance under aggressive driving conditions. Designed to manage heat and reduce fade, these components help maintain control when it matters most. GeoSpec coated rotors offer corrosion resistance to protect against daily wear while maintaining performance over time. OE-specific designs ensure precise fitment, allowing technicians to service the GR Corolla efficiently and accurately. Whether pushing through back roads or driving daily, DFC braking components help the GR Corolla stay responsive, controlled, and ready for every drive. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors manage inventory while allowing service teams to complete jobs efficiently. DFC proudly supports the 2023 to 2026 Toyota GR Corolla with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for performance, durability, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.